As you can see, I have a notebook. I put into writing all that I need, just the bullet points, of course, all that I need to say in a specific live video so that you will have fresh information each time that I speak to you. Now, to recap everything about buying a condominium or a house here in Cebu, where we talk about buying a condominium first, you have to know the location. For example, if the location is in near SM Mall, that would be very, very good because people would be going there and it would be easy to shop, to buy your grocery, to do your banking, and everything else because our malls here are one stop shop already, especially the SM malls or the Robinson malls, but most of the shops, the branded ones, and the banks are with the SM malls. And also, they are catering SSS, Pag-ibig, LTO. So, we can really say that being near the malls is very important. One of the important things that you have to consider. Second is the floor level. For example, you want to be at the top floor or higher floor because of the view. Yes, we have a very good view. Even at San Marino, we have a very good view. One pavilion has a very good view to um, the ones in Avida Towers or Calix, IT, Sedona. They are very good. But the other consideration is what if there, which is maybe 1% in a 100% that it will happen 1 to 10. What if there is no electricity? Like there is a typhoon, like the Odette. Remember the Odette? It has been like over months because I was living in Midori condo at that time because I really have to serve my clients at that time, and I was renting a condo for 2 months there at the Midori, and I invited all my kids that because at the time they are working from home. So I invited them, hey, come here because we have water and electricity. And although the internet is lag and not that good because almost all of the wires were cut by the Odette. So it was really good, but we were at the fifth floor. So dili kayo hangak magsaka ka naog kay fifth floor man, and I really, really love the way Czar treated Kyle at the time. They were not boyfriend and girlfriend yet, but Czar sacrifice bringing water to us at the condominium. So we really have water, drinking water. 1 gallon is already 100 pesos at the time plus the delivery fee. So ZAR was really a good help at that time. Next to consider is the developer. Now, some developers do not manage or maintain their building well after it's finished, or even if it's not finished because there are still available units for sale. Some developers do not give quite a care about their maintenance. Maybe if they have the admin, because that would be assigned, or maybe by bidding, or I don't know. For example, Solinea, they have their admin. It's not from the developer, but it's per contract or per bidding. I don't know. But with San Marino, they have the vertical admin who manages the building. But still, they are in close coordination with the developer land traders. So anything that the vertical admin will do has has got to get the approval of the land traders also. So that's it. You need to see if the developer is good in maintaining their building. One thing that I really like with Contempo is that they have a very, very good after sales service. Their admin is very good in maintaining the building and the pool and the gym. So if you go to the Bamboo Bay, it's very clean, the guards are very polite, and the admin is very nice. So you really have to consider the maintenance of the building. Next is your agent. Some of the complaints that I got from foreigners, especially Americans, who call me for help about their condo because they just want to sell for whatever reason it is that they are not able to connect or contact their agent anymore. I don't know how they disappear, but they cannot contact them anymore. For me and my team at the Solid LR Leoterio Realty, we always see to it that we are there for our after sales service. For example, if you buy from us, we are there to help you with the turnover, because sometimes during the turnover, for example, based from my classmates, they had a turnover from different condominiums. She said that sometimes it lacks kind of like a 1 square meter or something. For example, the studio that they bought is said to be 22 square meters, but I was really kind of like looking at them during the turnover. It was kind of funny. They bring the measuring tape and then measures the condo, the perimeter, the wall perimeters. They measured it and said, Miss, it's lacking like that. And the developer will adjust the price. So although it's funny, but it is required that you bring your measuring tape and measure the perimeter of the condo, and then right there and then complain about anything that seems to be lacking. Or for example, the doorknob, just anything that you will find, because they will take note of it during the turnover. So the agent and the owner and the one who will be assisting from the developer should be there during that turnover. That is the after sales service if you buy a condo from me or from my team, the Solid LR team of the Leoterio Realty. Next is access. See my notebook. Next is access to public transportation. See to it that your condo is located in a place or along the highway where public transportation is not difficult. Dili na magsige na lang tag Grab o kanang mga unsa pa na diha nga taxi permi kay halayo pareha nang kuano one oasis medyo layo nakaadto man jud ko kanang grand residences nga kuan gyud ba sudlonon ra gyud kanang Although they are good, maayo man didto, pero mas maayo gyud nang inignaog nato na nadayon. Pareho sa Solinea, gamay ra kag lakwon, wa na. Kuha na dayon, main road na. Parehas sa San Marino, inignaog nimo diretso nakakarbon. Ang sa Kuan, ang sa Midori, gamay ra kay kag lakwon, main road na gyapon diha sa Banilad. Makanang mga inana ba nga dili gyud lisod ang pagsakay nimo kay dili biya ka kaingon nga ang imuhang trabaho, imuhang pag-uli pirmi lang buntag naa man gyoy gabi so mas maayo gyud ng door to door ang delivery nimo, di ba? Kay kung dili ka door to door mulakaw pa ka, wa man pud ta kahibaw unsay mahitabuan ba kanang pahilayo lang sa mga disgrasya pero mas maayo nang diha gyud ka itog pa right there in front sa imuhang condominium, di ba? Especially the students, o ako inahan mag-uol po jud ko oy kung hala magsikot-sikot pa na imuhang anak didto, ato na lang nang antuson ang gamay nga kanang higher rent gamay kaysa kanang low rent nga mag-uol po ta di ta katulog maunsa ng mga anak nato diha, di ba no? So next is ang street level. Karon pa jud ko ana nga ang street level kinahanglan pud nato at tan-awon. Kay for example, pirmi manggod ko sa San Marino, mao na ma-example gid nako na siya pirmi. Sa San Marino, higher ang street level than the street kanang sa second ba to kuan man na no? Two lanes. Two lanes diri, two lanes dito. Kanang dito nga two lanes kuan gid na kanang flooded gid na siya pirmi. May dili mag-ulan pero kung dili lapok gyud siya, so ang gibuhat sa uban is butangan siya kahoy gani para lang makasaka or maka latay ba, pero dili man ingon nga latay nga mura jud kanang sa kuan sa mga slums. Butangan lang nila kay lapok manggod, wala na naatiman ba kay lower man ang street level niya, lower siya. So maybe kung tarungon lang na ang drainage, dili siguro sigig basa ang pikas, no? Naaman pud ko yung mga mamaligya, wa pud ta kahibaw or unsa baron nga ang mga plastic ug mga hugaw mabutang ba unya walay limpyo pod. So shout out pud na sa government no nga magbaha-baha kay tungod ana, no? Dapat maglimpyo gyud pud sa mga drainage ug ang mga tawo nga naa diha make sure nga magtabang pud mo nga dili na siya magbaha diha. And next is drainage and sewage. Pareha sa kuan sa Calix na agid na siya drainage and sewage. So wa gyud mo'y problema diha, magbayad lang mo sa ga-maintain, no? Naa na siya certain amount, dili man inundag ko per month kay ibayad man na sa mga nag-maintain sa kuan drainage and sewage within the area. So wala gyud mo'y baha. Bahala magulana pa na diha, wala gyud mo'y baha unya. Gwapo gyud ang simentado man ang kuan ang road. So magkiki-ay pa mo diha, mag-TikTok pa mo or mag-reels mo diha sa kuan dapit sa Calix, wa gyud mo baha no? Maayo gyud ang drainage and sewage diha sa kondo. Next, we have the selling price. Of course, the more the amenities, the higher the selling price. Of course, pareha sa Mactan Newtown, ang per building nila no, naa gyud na spa, naa na swimming pool, naa na kuan, naa na gym. Unya, naa pa gyud na sila kanang sa gawas gani nga maka-jogging-jogging ka. Unya, naa na murag para mountain climbing ba? Sus, kung batanon pa lang ko, mag-mountain climbing exercise ko dito, kay naamang ko'y gimanage dito sa One Pacific, no? Gwapo gyud kaayo dito, gwapo gyud. Unya, hangin, unya, limpyo ha, pero wa lang ko kahibaw sa kuan, sa drainage. Pero murag okay raman ang drainage kay sementado man, dako biya kaayo ang road dito sa Mactan Newtown. Napagyoy exclusive na beach. So the higher the price, the more the amenities. Kay syempre asa man na nila ilagpak ng kuan expenses and maintenance sa ilahang mga amenities. Each building sa condo dito sa Mactan, New Town, they got spa, gym, swimming pool, and kanang mga extra nila diha nga you will really be happy if you live there or if you stay there even short term, no? Not to consider nga ang ilahang what you call this, ilahang exclusive nga beach resort lami gyud ang mga recipe. Ang mga menu nila medyo mahal pero guy Ginoo ko pagkalami gyud, di ba no? So expect gyud ka ana, wala na siya hangyo ha kay dili di anak merkado ang mga kuano nakitagod na anad manggod taghangyo-hangyo. Wala na hangyo, kuan ra gyud na siya, fixed price gyud na ang mga price sa condominium. Next is the amenities. You have to look for the gym, the spa, the beach resort, and the pool. So if you have those amenities, expect that the selling price is higher than the regular ones without amenities. Nga, kuan lang, kanang elevator ra, or those nga tag 4 floors ra nga walk-up condominium, kana mga barato-barato na sila. Pero kung nangita ka og kanang medyo solid ang walls nila, no? Kanang mag-away mo, magsinumbagay mo, dili mabungkag ang wall sa pikas kana, dako-dako na siya bayad, di ba? Kay napagyoy amenities nga swimming pool, mangita pa jud mo gwapo nga swimming pool nga dako, dili mo makontento gamay, bayad gud mo dako-dako, di ba? Kay kung barato ra, butangan lang mo gamay, baby swimming pool, di pod mo ganahan, adto mo sa dako. Mangita mo og class A nga kuan nga amenities, class A pod ang inyuhang balayron, and that goes with the rent. Kay ang association dues sa mga class A amenities, class A buildings ka na mga high-end nga mga condominiums, dagko biha kayo nagkuan condo dues. Dili biya na basta-basta ang ilahang condo dues. So mao na siya kung mangita mo og things to consider when buying a condominium. Sunod na pod.